Welcome, guys. So, 94 is a difficult question in physics GRE, and especially you are not familiar with the electric circuit. So when the start S is closed, so there's a circuit flow from here to here, and ask about the voltage VA. So you see at the beginning, if there's no VA, then circuit looks like this. So this is the RL circuit, which you can use differential equation to get this answer, which is epsilon over R1, 1 minus this. So when t goes to infinity or t very large, then this term is exponential negative term is basically 0. So you have the circuit epsilon R1, and then from here to here, that since all the currents dissipate, all the voltage dissipate at R1. So there's no voltage here. So the only answer is A or B, because at T1 the voltage VA should be 0. After that, when you switch open, then VA starts to there's a VA here, and the rest of circuits there's something and R and L and R2, and basically this process is the same as this process. The only difference is their sign are different. So the problem is that now which A or B is correct. So the hint is R2 is equal to 3R1. So if you see this exponential terms, it tells you that if R1 larger than R2, then R1 will decrease more rapidly than R2. R1 will decrease more. So R2 is larger than R1. So R2 will have more rapidly decrease than R1. So we should choose B. So that's the answer. That's the answer.